This video tutorial shows you how to send SMS from your PHP website. This process consists of 6 steps. Step 1. Download the PHP file. First, we need to download the PHP file. Start by opening your browser. Go to the Ozeki website. Click on Products, Ozeki 10, Apps, PHP SMS API, then SMS from website. Next to download, click on the download link for send sms.zip. When the download has finished, extract the content of the zip to your desktop. Step 2. Copy PHP file to webserver. Now we need to copy the PHP file to webserver. First, open your www directory. Drag and drop the Send SMS folder into it, then open the Send SMS folder. Step 3. Create HTTP server user. Next up, we have to create an HTTP server user. For this you need to open Ozeki SMS Gateway. Click on Add New User or Application in the menu on the left. Scroll down and find HTTP Server. Click on Install next to it. Type in an application name and press OK to continue. Now type in the password and click OK to authenticate. Click on Events on the top left to view the events page. Step 4. Modify PHP file. Now we need to modify the PHP file. Open the Send SMS file in Notepad++. Enter your username and password into the code. Save the changes by clicking on the Save button. Step 5. Open the web page. Now we can open the PHP web page. Type the following into the URL bar of your browser and hit Enter. Step 6. Send test message. Finally, we can send a test message from PHP website. Type the phone number into the text box next to recipient. Type the message into the bigger text box below. Click on Send to send your message. Now if you go back to Ozeki SMS Gateway and refresh the Events tab, you will see that the message has been successfully sent. Visit our website. Download and install Ozeki SMS Gateway, and you are able to send bulk SMS messages. Improve your web pages with SMS sending and receiving. Thank you for watching our PHP SMS video. For more information, make sure to check out our SMPP protocol video or visit our website ozekismsgateway.com.